Hey guys, quick video today on a little shop tip I learned from an old timer. So I picked up this leaf sucking machine a while back. I was able to get it running, but yeah, that's not good. The bolt holes aren't completely stripped out, but they're all loosey-goosey. If you have room, like on the bottom hole here I can stick a longer bolt in there and grab some fresh threads. But on this top hole, there just isn't enough depth, so a longer bolt won't work. So we're going to try the old-timey trick to tighten up those threads. You just get yourself a section of fine-stranded copper wire and then just strip a bunch of the insulation back. You want to strip back way more than you think you'll need. Just strip 3 or 4 inches off. We want something like this. And then make sure the strands aren't twisted and kind of fan them out a bit. What we're going to do is take our muffler bolt and just wrap the strands over the top of just the tip. You want to have this kind of U shape going on. Don't worry about the excess wire, we'll deal with that later. Now when we put our bolt back in, those strands will squish in between the threads and tighten up the hole. And I'm using the excess wire with the insulation still on it as kind of a handle, so I can keep it in place. Because you can't really see anything back there behind the muffler. Just gotta kind of go by feel, like trying to find the right hole in the dark. Obviously, the proper fix would be to drill out the hole and use a helicoil or something on it, but I don't got time for that. I got leaves that I need to suck up, so this is more like an emergency fix type of deal. But this fix should last me long enough to finish cleaning up the leaves this fall. Oh yeah, no more loosey-goosey. And then I'll just snip off that excess wire. A little bit of extra wire back there isn't going to hurt anything. Nobody's going to see it. And then I'll just tamp down these tabs that are supposed to keep those bolts from loosening up. But that didn't really help with them originally. Anyway, that's it for today. I wasn't planning on making a video on this thing, but I thought the wire trick was interesting, so stay tuned for more. See you later. Bye.